Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So since it is the Easter season, my mom is the special guest today and she's going to teach us how to make some brownies. Go ahead and smash that like button and let's get started.
It's lovely Corona time. We actually don't have a lot of things in the house, so we're just going to do something really basic, which means follow the directions on the box. So we've got gluten-free chocolate fudge brownies that we're going to make today. So the things that you need are a 1/3 cup of oil, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1 egg, along with the mix. So let's start to mix that all together.
Can you
Pull open that. Maybe we'll grab some scissors.
I'm going to crack this egg real quick.
That makes it easy. So we're just going to put in this nice mixing bowl the actual mix. And you can add in that egg.
Alright.
You want to add in the 3 tablespoons of water.
Sure.
Make sure it doesn't splash.
1, 2, 3 tablespoons of water.
Perfect. Next thing we're going to do is add the 1/3 cup oil. Want to add that in?
Sure. And then we're going to mix that all up with a
And
whisk.
actually not with a whisk, it actually says with a spoon. So actually let's get a big wooden spoon so we can mix it all together.
There you go, Mom.
Oh, I guess I'm doing it. Perfect. And they say about 50 strokes with the spoon. I'll be honest, I don't count. You just kind of look at the consistency, make sure it's all mixed in. None of the powder is left on the side. So you want to make sure it's all mixed in pretty good. And be honest, it gets your arm a good workout for the day. So you can kind of see it's starting to look pretty mixed in. Maybe a couple more stirs. Does it look like all the powder's kind of gone off the sides?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. So, what are we going to do? We're going to put it in what kind of a size pan, Amanda?
We're going to put it in an 8 by 8 inch pan. But before we do that, we need to spray it with some olive oil pan.
And we're going to use a glass one today,
So you guys can see what it looks like.
you make sure to get all the corners actually, because if it goes up the sides, we're going to do the sides like that a little bit too, so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Now we're going to add the mixture into the pan. Actually, do you want to also I like using the wooden spoon to get the big chunks of it out. And then I like to use a spatula, which kind of scrapes the sides of all the batter. So you want to get me a spatula in the drawer, Amanda?
Totally.
Because then it gets all of it in there, because that's kind of the best part of it all.
There you go.
Oops, there we go. We like to be a little messy in our kitchen too. I wanted to hold that over and I'll try to scoop some of this off. And then we'll scoop it off the wooden spoon as well. So this, you just want to make sure you get all the good batter stuff off the bottom of the bowl. So there's that. Then we'll take this. And at some point you just got to use your fingers to get that last little bit in there. But we can do it at the very end, would be great. There we go. That's pretty good. Just kind of put this in the sink to wash later. And then we'll just kind of spread it around a little bit. I'm going to put it a little bit into the corner so it kind of comes out to an even spread. We'll show that before it goes in the oven. And then dependent upon the oven, this one says specifically for an 8 by inch clear pan, it's going to go in the oven at 350 degree heat for 31 to 34 minutes. Perfect. That looks great, Amanda.
Yeah.
Perfect. We'll try and get
All of that
leftover
batter.
Yeah, on the sides and toss it in. Perfect.
Yeah.
So here we go. We're gonna go put it in our oven. Of course, be careful. We'll set our timer and check it in 30 minutes.
So there's about 1 minute left until the brownies are ready. So
What do we have to do to check that it's ready? Do you know?
So we have to use this little tool here. If we just poke it in the brownies, and if it comes out clean, then it's ready. If it comes out like a little batter on it, we need to give it like 2 more minutes. So we're gonna wait.
Oh,
There we go. It's ready.
let's take a look. You wanna bring me that?
Oh, right.
Make sure to wear your
Oven mitts.
oven mitts to make sure you're safe. We're gonna take this out and take a peek. And let's check one more spot. Yeah, we could use another minute.
Okay, so we're gonna wait about 1 more minute until the brownies are ready. See you then.
All right, let's take a look. And we are clear. All right. I'm gonna take the other mitt to make sure we're safe. And put it over here on the stove top. I like to put it on the back shelf though, so that everybody kind of remembers it's hot and little kids won't either go by it or animals. So if you want to take a look at the brownies, maybe we'll give you a nice close-up shot. They got some chocolate chips in it, and we can't wait to dig into that once it's cooled off in about 15 to 20 minutes.
All right, thanks for watching our video. This is the ending result. Smash that like button, please subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what we should do next.